Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change sold out to coming soon on Shopify. Now, as you can see, this product has been like it says here sold out. As you can see, I'm going to click on it right now, but I would like to change this text from sold out to coming soon. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how you can do that right now, because you don't want to lose customers. Okay, you want to keep checking when the product is available so that you can buy the product. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I mean exactly. So as you can see, this product says here sold out. I'm going to change this text to coming soon. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, first you want to go to your your Shopify dashboard, and you want to click on online store here. As you can see, after you are in this page, then you want to click on these three little dots next to customize, and then you want to click on edit default theme content. And after that, you want to search here where it says filter items. You want to search for sold out. Okay, I'm sorry, I typed here called out, so I'm going to search for sold out. All right, you want to scroll down a little bit. It says here products. Okay, under here products, as you can see, it says here sold out. Now we want to change this text to coming soon. Okay, click on save. You can also notice all cars. Notice this card. You can change all this to coming soon if you want, but I only want to change this on the product page alone. Okay, so I'm going to check now. As you can see, now it says sold out. Now I'm going to reload the page. Now it's going to say coming soon. Okay, so like customers will expect this is going to come back. The product is going to be available again. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can change this from sold out to coming soon, as you can see here. Okay, so hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.